In this video, we're going to cover the color codes of the accounting section. LandlordMax comes with 7 different color codes, and they all mean a little bit something different. Now, before I get into too much details, I'll just let you know that you can change the colors and adjust them to your preference in the settings section of the software, but we'll cover that near the video. So the first color code is green, and green means that an accounting entry is due before today. So it's not yet due, it's coming, but it hasn't been paid yet, so that would be green. Blue means that it's due today. The next one is yellow, and yellow means that it's a little bit late. And that's where, in addition to changing the color, you can also define what a little bit late means. By default, the software will say 3 days. Some people a little bit late, they'll accept up to 1 day. Some will accept 3, some will be a week. That's completely optional, but by default it's 3. Orange means that it's actually late. Again, by default, this is 7 days. You can change it to 2 days, you can change it to 3 days, you can change it to 7, 14 days, whatever your business model is. The next color code is red, and red means that it's beyond late. So by default, this is more than a week, but again, you can change it to your settings. The next color code is white, and that's an accounting entry that's been completed. So there's a date due and a date paid, and it's closed. The next color is gray, and gray means NSF. This could mean that you've closed the entry, a check bounce, maybe there'll never be a payment, whatever it is. Gray means that it's closed, but there's no transaction there. And with that, we're going to go in and cover how you change the settings. So the first thing is you go under your name, and then you go to System Settings, and under here you'll go to Accounting Settings. Now at this point you're in the view mode, so you can only see the colors, what they mean. If you want to edit them, you need to click on the edit button here, which we're going to do, and this allows you to change the colors. So for example, maybe for me early I don't like light green, maybe I want it to be very, very dark green. I can play around here, I can adjust different colors, so I set it to this. I could also say, maybe I don't like yellow as a first warning, maybe I want to put it a bright red. And again, that's completely up to me. Now, we also talked about we can define how late and how early a payment is. You can change that instead for you a little bit late, by default it's 3 days, but you could say a little bit late is 1 day for you, and fairly late is 3, and anything beyond 3 days is considered very late. It could be 7 days and 10 days. It's completely up to you. By default, the software uses 3 and 7. And whatever preferences you've set up, you would click on Save. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on Cancel, just not to save the settings, and it reverts back to what it was. And that is how you adjust all the color codes for the accounting entries. And you'll also see color codes in the suggested entries to give you an indication of how when a payment is due, if it's past due, and so on.